The hatred in this conflict runs deeper than national or political interests. This isn't Judah versus Assyria as if it was just some political clash. This is spiritual. This is irreverent and defiant speech that is directed at God himself. This Rabshakeh targets the very character of God and the very power of God in his boast. His eyes are set squarely, not on Judah and Hezekiah, but on the God whom Hezekiah and Judah trust in. Twice, the Rabshakeh denies that the Lord will be able to deliver Jerusalem. Twice, he flat out denies that God is capable of doing anything for them. He says in verse 30, do not let Hezekiah make you trust in the Lord. Do not let this king of yours convince you that God is trustworthy and able to deliver you. He says, don't let him make you trust in the Lord, saying, the Lord will surely deliver us. This shall not be given into the hand of the king of Assyria. Well, that was a prophecy from Isaiah. Thus says the Lord, they're not taking the city. And the Rabshakeh says, don't let him deceive you. I know what you've heard, thus says the Lord, but God can't make good on that word. Then in verses 32 through 35, it's outrageous. The Rabshakeh compares God to the pagan idols that were crushed by the Assyrian armies. Basically, he says, none of those other gods were strong enough to stop us, and your God is no different. We trampled those nations. We crushed those idols. Your God is no better. Your God has no more power or will to resist us than any of those feeble idols. At the end of the list, you might notice in verse 34, he includes the God of Samaria. That was the northern kingdom of Israel. It's almost like he's saying, your brothers and sisters in the north, we already beat them. You guys have the same God, don't you? We already beat him one time. What makes you think he can stop us this time?